Okay, let's take a look at question number 8. So here's the demand faced by a company, a monopolist, and they have zero variable cost. So we're asked from part A to complete this table. So our total revenue is equal to our total profit, and that is basically your price times your quantity demanded, because well, that would be your revenue, but it's also your profits because there are no variable costs. So to fill out that table, then you're just taking obviously your price times your quantity to get your profits. Then in part B, what price will they charge and what quantity will it produce? So they're going to produce where they maximize their revenue. That is the highest point here of 270, and that corresponds to a price of $3 and a quantity of 90. Then we are told another company is coming in. They also have zero variable costs, and they enter the industry and assume that the other company is going to continue to produce its current output, as in B. So in part B, we determined that they were producing 90. So we're asked to fill out this table. So the quantity for the existing company that was already there, we're going to assume that they're still going to produce 90 like they did in the past. How much is the new company going to produce? They don't explain it here very well, but it's basically, this is the demand that they're faced with. So they start off at $3. So at $3, the demand was 90. So the previous company is going to still make their 90, so there'll be no demand left for the new company. At $2.50, the demand was 105. So if we assume the old company still makes 90, that means that there's 15 remaining that the new company can make to meet demand. And that's essentially what we're going to do from that point on. At $2, the demand was 120. So if the old company makes 90, the new company can now produce 30 to meet the demand of 120 at that price. So what output will they choose to produce, the new company, and what will be the new market price given both firms? Well, now the new firm is going to try to maximize their revenue also, which is here at $67.50. So that means they are going to produce 45 at a price of $1.50. The old company is still going to produce their 90, and the price now is it's going to change to 150. The old company is going to continue to produce the same amount, and the new company is now going to produce 45.